Hello and welcome to English with Adam. Let me ask you something. When someone says, "Hello, what is your name?" Do you feel nervous? Do you know what to say? Maybe you understand the question, but you don't know how to answer. That's okay. Today, we will practice something very important. How to introduce yourself in English. Very simple, very easy, step by step. Let's begin. When you meet a new person, you can say three simple things. My name is, I am from, I work at, or I am a. That's it. Three simple sentences. Let's look at them one by one. First, my name is Adam. This tells people your name. Repeat. My name is. Good. Second, I am from the United States, or I am from Mexico, or I am from Brazil, etc. This tells people your country. Repeat. I am from, and say what country you're from. Good. Third, I work at a store, or I work at a hospital, or I am a teacher. This tells people your job. So repeat. I work at, or I am a. So remember, my name is, I am from, I work at. These are three simple tricks, three simple sentences that you can use. So let's practice. My name is Adam. You can repeat with your name. Or my name is Maria. My name is John. Alright, now for these I want you to repeat after me. Say, I am from United States. I am from Mexico. I am from India. I work at a school. I work at a restaurant. I work at a hospital. I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver. Now, let's put it together. Listen carefully. I'm going to say the sentence and you're going to repeat it after me. My name is Maria. I am from Mexico. I am a student. My name is John. I am from United States. I work at a store. My name is Anna. I am from Brazil. I am a teacher. Alright, very good. Now, let's practice small conversations. Listen and repeat. Hello, what is your name? My name is Anna. Where are you from? I am from Spain. Hi, what is your name? My name is David. What do you do? I am a teacher. Okay, now we're gonna practice more conversation. You say hello, the other person would say hello. What is your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you from? I am from Canada. What do you do? I work at a hospital. Very nice. Let's keep going. Now it's your turn. Answer out loud and speak. Don't be shy. It's the best way to practice. What is your name? You would say, my name is. Then I would ask, where are you from? You would say, I am from. What do you do? I work at, or I am a. It's two different ones. You would either say where you work or what you do for a living. Now, go ahead and say everything together. Your name is, your country, and your job. Go ahead. Alright, very good. If you need to go back in the video to practice that, you can. You can always go back to the videos, my previous ones as well, since doing repetition is the best way to practice. And once you get into the hang of it, you will see that you don't have to think about it no more. It will just become natural. Alright, so great job today. You've learned something very important. How to introduce yourself in English. Remember, my name is, I am from, I work at. Practice every day. Speak out loud. Repeat again and again. You don't need perfect English, you just need practice. Thank you for listening to English with Adam. See you next time.